Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today, we'll take a peek into Susan's diary. She spent the day rediscovering herself after many years. What made the day so special? Let's find out together.
October 25th, 2024. Warm and sunny. Hi, diary. Today I did something special just for me. It's been a long time since I treated myself. When I was younger, I worked very hard. I raised 3 children on my own after my husband passed away. There was no time or money to spend on myself. But today I decided it was my day. First, I went to the mall and bought a beautiful dress. It's something I never would have bought before. Then I found matching shoes and a nice bag. I felt so happy holding those bags, knowing they were for me. Then I went to the hair salon. My silver hair is now a golden brown. When I looked in the mirror, I felt like a different person, like I had turned back time. I looked younger and full of energy. It's amazing how a small change can make such a big difference. Every day used to feel the same. Life was dull and quiet. But today, this small change made me feel alive again. I'm glad I took some time for myself. Good night, diary. I feel a little more like myself tonight. Talk to you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.